Hey, I'm Jamie Deen at the Chicken Box, and if you're here with me now at the Chicken Box, Teresa needs some videos, doesn't she? She comes chasing me down here at the Chicken Box. Well, let's see, what have we done? We've done our broccoli salad. I think we did our chicken salad. Maybe we've done our pasta salad. Did we do our egg salad?
We've done egg. We have not done pasta salad.
Well, maybe we'll do pasta salad one day. We're not doing pasta salad. Today we're doing pimento cheese. Pimento cheese is 1/3 of the trio sandwiches that we sell down here. So now you have your egg salad, you have your chicken salad, and now you get your pimento cheese, then you cut those in half and you put the 3 halves together, and that's a trio sandwich. So it's a sandwich and a half, and it's one of the items that we've done since Bag Lady days, so many years ago. This is really simple. This was my brother's recipe. He was in charge of doing the pimento cheese. So the first thing that we're going to start with, we got a nice big bowl here with 16 ounces of cream cheese. This has been sitting out on the counter for a while. Now you don't have to use 5 bags of shredded cheddar at your house, but you can if you want to. All right, I like to do this with gloves because this cream cheese just makes it a lot easier to work with. We're gonna get all that working together in just a second, okay? We've got our pimentos that we've strained out. Not sure how many that is, but that looks like enough for here. Don't y'all love it? Every time that I come on, there is no more measuring. I'll tell you what, after we opened May Day, so coming up on 2 full months through here, and the hardest thing for me has been formulating the recipes because I just don't ever do it. I just say, that's enough. And to this, just a little bit of salt. We really don't need a lot of salt for this, but what I do love is black pepper. It's really pretty in there too. So I'm pretty liberal with the black pepper. And just a tiniest, I'm probably gonna go like maybe a tablespoon of Texas Pete in here. It gives it's that thing that people say, what is that? I like to have a what is that? So it doesn't make it taste like Texas Pete, doesn't make it hot, doesn't make it spicy. It gives it something that people say, what is that? And I like that. So with our mayonnaise now and everything in here, this is the fun part. You can call your kids. We're gonna work all this together, get this cream cheese spread out. Now this is a great recipe because it will hold for a long time too. In your refrigerator, this will last you easily a week. But the challenge is because of the amount of cream cheese in it, it gets really stiff. So if you want to be able to spread this out, you might take it out and add a little bit more mayonnaise after a day or so, or let it sit on the counter before you start making sandwiches. You know what happens when cream cheese, when it gets into the refrigerator, it really firms up. This is actually the funnest part of my day, is getting my hands back into the food. So let's see. Pretty good mix, looks good to me. It's so funny, I just heard somebody on the other side of the wall say, I've never had collard greens before. We have so many different people that visit here, they never have collards, they never have pimento cheese. Fresh pimento cheese is one of my favorite things, y'all. This is so good. I love the recipe, and thank you, Bobby, for the recipe for the pimento cheese. Now, y'all get yourself down here to the Chicken Box. I'm Jamie Deen. That's good food. We'll see y'all around the kitchen.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.